Hello students. So the question says the vectors AB vector is equal to minus 3 I cap plus 4k cap and AC vector is equal to 5 I cap minus lambda cap plus 4k cap, I think, and where lambda is greater than 0 are the sides of triangle ABC and the length of the median through A is root 18, then BC square. There is some error in this question, I think. So I think here it will be lambda j cap. Alright. So now uh, the key concept which is going to be used in this question, that is key concept which is going to be used in question, is just quite simple, like the distance between two position vectors. Okay, so that is quite simple. So we can say that we will also use triangle inequality. The first one, if this is a triangle A, B and C vector, then we can say that AB vector plus BC vector plus CA vector, that is equal to 0 vector. Alright, and the second one is going to be like if there are two vectors A1, B1 and C1, the first point and the second point is A2, B2 and C2, then the distance between these 2 points will be A1 minus A2 square plus under root B1 minus B2 square and plus C1 minus C2 square. Okay, so let's start this question. So solving this question. Okay, so the first thing is we will draw a triangle, that is this is A, this is B and this is A. So this one is given. We have AB, which is minus 3 I cap plus 4k cap, and we have AC, which is given as 5 I cap minus lambda j cap and plus 4 k cap. So let us assume A to be the origin. Okay, so we can assume this because in answer which we have to find, that is BC square, we don't have to we actually don't have to we don't need the coordinates of it. All right, so we can assume this. All right, so and the next thing which is given in the question, that is the median, that is this value is given as under root of 18. So if this one is 0 comma 0 comma 0, that is the origin, then this will be minus 3 comma 0 comma 4, and this will be 5 comma minus lambda comma 4. And in that case we can assume we can write this like this is the median, so this is the midpoint of B and C, so this will be 1 comma minus lambda by 2 comma 4. All right, now we have let us assume this to be D, then we have AD given as under root of 18. So we can calculate further that a1 minus a2 square plus b1 minus b2 like this. Okay, we can apply it to the option point number A, and that is the coordinate of A and coordinate of D. Alright, so we can do like under root of 1 plus lambda square by 4 plus 16, that is equal to under root of 18. Spreading both side, we can say that lambda square by 4 is equal to 1, and after square, then we can get lambda square is equal to 4. Since lambda is equal to 0, then lambda will be 2. Now after finding lambda, what we have found, that is the coordinate of the point C is 5 comma minus 2 comma minus 4. Now we require BC squared, so we require the length of BC. So we can say that length of BC, that is mod of BC, that is equal to under root of, again we will apply the distance formula. So this will be 5 minus minus 3, that will be 8 square plus minus 2 minus 2, that is minus 2 square, that is 4, and 4 minus 4, that is 4, and this is also 4, so that is 0. It is going to be under root of 64 plus 4, that is equal to under root of 68. And since we have to find BC square, so BC square, so we can say here that BC square. Okay, let's move to the next page. So we can say that since BC is equal to root 68 mod of BC, then we can say that BC square, that is equal to 68, and this is our answer, 68 units. All right, and if we categorize this question into easy, medium, or hard levels, and it will be said as, and it will be said to be an easy question.